If you want to cancel your Zomato subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process is smooth and straightforward. Step 1. Open the Zomato app. Launch the Zomato app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into the account associated with the subscription you wish to cancel. Step 2. Go to your profile. Tap on the profile icon, usually located in the bottom right corner of the app. This will take you to your account settings and subscription details. Step 3. Access subscription settings. Look for the subscriptions or membership option in the menu. Select it to view your current subscription plan and details. Step 4. Select Cancel Subscription. Find the option to cancel your subscription. This may be labeled as Cancel Subscription or End Membership. Click on it to proceed with the cancellation. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. You may receive a confirmation message or email once the process is complete, ensuring that your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Zomato subscription. If you have any issues, consider reaching out to Zomato's customer support for further assistance.